If you're a huge fan of Italian cuisine, then you will surely like this recipe. Today I'm preparing a delicious and creamy risotto with mushrooms and vegetable sauce. The whole preparation time is about 25 minutes, and if you follow my foolproof steps in this video, I can assure you that you cannot go wrong. Put the olive oil in a heated pan and immediately start cooking the spring onions. Add the minced garlic and freshly grated carrot. While mixing, add the risotto rice. Cook the ingredients for about 3 to 4 minutes, mixing occasionally. Add the Fant mushroom sauce. Mustard, salt and ground black pepper to taste. While mixing, add the white wine. Allow the mixture to simmer and constantly stir with the wooden spoon. When the liquid is almost absorbed in the rice, add the chicken broth little by little, stirring the risotto constantly. When the rice has absorbed all the liquid, add the chicken broth again. I'm using a chicken broth, but you can totally use vegetable or beef broth if you want. Prepare the same process until you have used up all the liquid. You will know that the risotto is ready when the rice will be creamy and a creamy sauce will form. Serve the risotto on a plate, grate some fresh parmesan cheese, and garnish with freshly chopped parsley and ground black pepper. Full list of the ingredients you will find in the description box down below. For a lot more videos coming in future, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media. Have fun cooking, until the next time.